is nice. I never get out of the pond. Except when I gotta go meet with the council. Ooh.
Who?
Do you not know about the... No! There it is! Oh! You hear that?
No.
Really? Try getting a little closer.
Still nothing.
I know! It's bad, right?
No! There's no noise at all! Tell me where it's loudest! What? No, 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 no,
Mabel,
no!
wait!
Ugh, it's the tree! The tree is loud!
Mabel, I don't think beavers can climb!
This one can!
Hey, we can deal with this later.
Stop!
I've got to get you back to the lab.
Stop it!
Gotcha.
Hey, the noise is gone. Mabel, that was the most heroic thing I've ever seen a beaver do.
Fellow animals, I say we take back the glade!